lovely morning here in Royal High. I better go see if I can find my friends. Indy and Alice. Alice. Is she in here? Oh. Oh, we better go to class. Hopefully I can find my friends in class. Oh, Indy, there you are.
I don't know what class is. I'm just flying around.
What's up, Indy?
Hey. Nothing much, really.
Okay.
We better get to class though.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we have swimming, so follow me.
Okay. Have you gone? Coming. I love swimming.
I'm pretty sure it's around here somewhere. I get lost easily in this school. Oh, well, we failed at swimming. We got baking. Alice.
Wow, I'm really.
Wait, is that Alice?
It's not Alice.
Hey, Alice. Oh, hey, Summer.
Hi.
Do you want to go? We better go to class. Oh, let's teleport. Teleport. Baking class. My second favorite class. No.
Whoa, sorry, I just fell off the balcony.
Okay, we better get cooking.
I can't do good class. Get me to it. I can't actually do cooking class.
I hate this. Shaking is so the worst.
You know what? I can't actually do cooking class. The reason is that I can't do cooking class is actually because I'm not allowed to because I always make such a big mess. And whenever I can't do it, like what's happening to you, I just chuck it on the ground.
Let's go. Crack that egg. Make a cake. Got the flour and slowly pour in a couple.
Oh no!
Ooh, thanks. Thanks.
Whoa, thanks! I just got a cupcake. Thank you so much.
Use it for sure.
Yo, I love
Yum.
cupcakes.
Ooh, what flavor should I make? Well, I love cherry. So cherry it is, and I'm gonna make a lovely purple cupcake. We're gonna put it in the
thanks for
oven.
another cupcake. Whoa, thanks for another cupcake. Oh my god, I just got
Press one, you can get a cupcake.
someone just give you cupcake.
I failed.
I got a B.
I failed
Yes.
because I couldn't do anything.
Yeah, me.
Oh, guys, we better get to our next class.
Okay. One sec, my mom's just coming in.
And when are these guys gonna get here? I thought we were gonna talk about the student council. Ah, there you guys are. Come on, sit down. Okay, let's see. So we have 2 empty spots on the student council. Who do we think we should? Who do you think we should let in? John. Let us John.
Well, I really think we should let him. Stella. Sorry about that. I think we should let Stella go in. She's really nice.
Well, I've been thinking maybe Galaxia could go in.
I was thinking maybe Stella.
We've got Stella,
Galaxia.
Galaxia,
Or Summer.
and we've got Summer, which is your best friend. Your best friend, Lila. So all of our best friends want to go on the student council. So what are we going to do? Lila? Lila, hello?
Don't tell me about that.
I just had a little bit of a blackout.
Okay.
What were you talking about?
Well, we need to bring we've got 2 empty spaces on the student council. And we know you want to bring Summer. I want to bring Galaxia. And well, John wants to bring Stella.
Oh, we have to go to English.
Oh, we better go. Guys, we got English, let's go.
Guys, I can't go to English right now.
Oh, sorry. Bye.
Bye. I'm not going to English, sorry. I can't. I have something very cute to do for Stella.
Okay.
And you're like, I wonder what he's up to. He's actually a bit strange about Stella lately.
Yeah. I wonder what he's up to. He's acting a bit strange.
I failed.
Oh my god. I can't believe this. We're supposed to be we're supposed to be the student council and we can't even make it to our English classes.
Alright,
Better go get my dorm.
I'm gonna get so
Checked
much
out.
gold. Which dorm does Stella have? Oh, is that yours?
Well, oh, I think I found the dorm rooms. This is where they were the last time.
I found some dark dorm rooms. Whoa, it's getting kind of creepy up here. I need to find the one that Stella's in. Oh my god. I got my own little dorm.
Does anyone know where to find dorms? Wait.
Up here, up here.
Oh, I think I found them. Oh, dang it, I got an F. Okay.
I got an A+. Hey! What, did you do it in English class?
No.
What? She did. Next to Oh, I wanted you to climb a dorm with me.
I just walked around.
This is me in her dream. Oh, I really wish we could go back.
I'm gonna climb a dorm.
I'm sick of the roleplay. We can still roleplay, but we act like we actually know people play. Okay? We don't wanna.
Dang it, we have to go to PE class. What does it say?
Unlock.
What does it say?
You have to do an obstacle course.
I love these obstacle courses. Oh, look at this.
Oh, this is so adorable.
Just because you guys asked me why I was acting so weird.
I'm going, Alice, fly to the bell. There's a big bell here.
You guys have to tell. Just because you guys asked me why I've been acting so weird lately. When I get to the bell.
Do I have to go the backwards way?
You guys needed to know why I was acting so
How
strange.
do you ring the bell?
What the hell? I don't want to go into this. I don't want to open the journal. You guys talked to me. You asked me why I
Oh,
was
hey.
acting so weird.
Hey.
Got into the bell.
Yeah?
Hey, John.
Yeah?
Why are you acting so weird? Alright, move.
Nothing. I'm just going to have to go away.
I got a fail.
Phone.
And you guys were asking me.
Go.
Lunch.
Oh, I want one. No thanks, but I'll have one.
Just pretend Stella, I'm gonna change my character to Stella. So when I'm gonna say that she's gonna, you guys are gonna ask her why he's acting so weird, and I'm gonna say I don't know. I'm gonna say, but I know that I like it, and I'm gonna tell you that guys that I like it. Stella is.
Okay. Oh, well, it's getting close to 15 minutes, so that means it's the end of the video soon. Hopefully the subscribe fairy comes along and tells everyone to subscribe.
Subscribe!
You heard it from here, folks. The subscribe fairy is back again.